Hello everyone, welcome to my channel where we explore the world of tech and gear to help you up your content game. Today I got something really exciting to unbox and review with you all. It's a 9A tripod phone stand which I bought from Amazon. We're gonna unbox it and see how it looks, how it performs. I hope you like the video. Watch until the end. Let's dive into it. Don't forget to share, like and subscribe as usual. So after reading ton of reviews and doing my research, I finally settled on this tripod for its promising features and affordability. As we unbox this, I'm already impressed by how well packaged everything is. It's always a good sign when a product arrives in a pristine condition. So, mark this checked. I'm really impressed. So let's go piece by piece and check these items. Let's start with this one. I don't exactly know the name, but I call it the 180-degree connector. So this innovative connector provides even greater flexibility in positioning your phone holder with an expansive range of motion spanning 180 degrees. It allows you to angle your phone holder precise to achieve the perfect shot from virtually any perspective. So the 180-degree angle offers paralleled versatility, enabling you to capture a wide array of compositions and creative angles for your photos and videos. It doesn't matter whether you are shooting in landscape, portraits, or dynamic action shots. This connector empowers you to unleash your creativity and capture stunning visual with ease. So it's also strong and lightweight. I like it so far. Okay, so next we got the phone holder. The phone holder included in this tripod is crafted with durability and reliability in mind. The holder securely grips your smartphone, allowing you to easily attach it to the tripod for shooting photos and videos. The holder is adjustable to accommodate different phone sizes too, ensuring a snug fit for your device. It's strong and lightweight as well. In summary, the phone holder includes with this tripod combines top-notch quality with a lightweight construction, providing you with a reliable and portable solution for your photography and videographic needs. Doesn't matter whether you are a seasonal professional or an amateur, phone holder is sure to enhance your shooting experience and help you capture stunning visuals. Okay, this is some sort of a remote control or something. Like you're gonna download an app and connect it with your phone so that you can take a shot easily while your phone is on the tripod. You can be anywhere and make a shot using the button after you connect it with the app. So it's not that much complicated. You can use it like that. Okay, so this is a tripod stand. The tripod stand is the backbone of the setup, providing stability and support for your camera or smartphone. It features 3 durable legs constructed from high-quality materials, ensuring reliability even in challenging shooting conditions. The tripod stands at an impressive height of 74 inches, approximately 6 feet, giving you elevated vantage point for your photography and videographic projects. They also have 85-inch on Amazon, so you can pick whatever you want. So don't forget to lock it here while you put it on the ground before filming, so that it won't make a movement and ruin your shooting on your phone. And this thing is metal and strong. Okay guys, so setting the tripod is a breeze, It comes with a clear instruction and all the components fit together smoothly. So I'm gonna assemble it and show you guys how it looks. Let's go. Okay guys, so as I mentioned the height of the stand also have 4 stage height adjustment with 4 extension stages that allow you to adjust its height according to specific shooting requirements. Whether you need a shot at the ground level or capture a towering landscape, doesn't matter. The tripod's adjustable height feature enables you to customize the setup to suit your needs. So it's pretty cool. Each extension stage provides incremental adjustments, giving you precise control over the tripod height, so you don't have to worry and use it on whatever height you prefer. So finally, let's see how it looks. Now that we securely attach the phone holder to the 180-degree connector, let's take a close look here. The phone holder feels incredibly sturdy, providing a reassuring grip on my smartphone. As you can see, I must say I'm impressed by its adjustable design, which easily accommodates different phone sizes too. It doesn't matter whether you are using a compacted device or large smartphone. This holder ensures a sag and secure fit, believe me, giving you a peace of mind during your shooting sessions. Plus, despite its robust construction, the phone holder remains surprisingly lightweight, adding to the overall portability of our tripod setup. So that's it. That's how it looks.